After 6 weeks of testimony, the double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh is nearing its end. The disgraced former South Carolina attorney is accused of killing his wife and son.
Fox's Austin Westfall is in Walterboro, South Carolina, where the jury took a field trip today. Austin, tell us more about that.
Yeah, so Courtney, Tom, basically today started a little bit different than we're used to, both the judge and the jury going out to that now infamous property where the double murders happened in 2021. Take a look at some footage from earlier this morning. These are the vans that brought the jury in. Cameras were not allowed to record during the visit because the court wants to protect the jury's identities. This is the first time that the jury saw the property that they've heard so much about during the trial. The property's been vacant for about 20 months since the murders happened. Now, after the visit, we went back to court for the prosecution's closing arguments. The jury's heard quite a bit of testimony, and this is basically the prosecution's last chance to tie it all together for a conviction. Lead prosecutor Creighton Waters argued that Murdaugh's legal team may have influenced, Murdaugh's legal knowledge, rather, may have influenced how the murders were carried out. Investigators say that 2 different guns were used to kill Alex's wife and son.
This is him. This is Alex, the prosecutor, the lawyer. And he's thinking through this. He's thought through this. He's going to use 2 guns because it's going to confuse people that perhaps there were 2 shooters.
Now, the prosecution is arguing that Alex killed his family in order to distract from mounting financial pressure related to a 2019 boat wreck, as well as a number of other cases involving millions in stolen money. The state describes Murdaugh as a liar who would do anything to preserve his family's prestigious name. However, the defense argues that a man who loved his family, as Alex himself has testified to, could never commit the gruesome murders. Tomorrow, we expect court to start at 9:30 a.m. We expect the defense's closing arguments to begin. Back to you.
All right, Austin, thanks for that live report.